What's up guys, this is Dom at Superior Ink, and today I'm going to talk about the difference between Plastisol and water-based ink. Plastisol ink is based with plastic, whereas water-based ink is essentially clear base with pigment added. The biggest advantage to using water-based is a softer feel because it soaks in and integrates into the fabric. The downside is it only works with specific garments and it's not as bright as Plastisol. This here is 100% Plastisol ink. There's very few fabric limitations. You can print Plastisol ink on just about any type of garment. The end result, water-based is going to be super soft to the touch, whereas Plastisol is sitting on top of the fibers. And then, of course, Plastisol is going to have a thicker feel. All right, guys, hopefully you learned some stuff today. Click the link in the bio to learn more, and we'll catch you next time.